Now's the time. Acknowledge your OTC.
The following is skipper 414, making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the OTC, Roman Reigns!
WrestleMania, acknowledge him.
The Tribal Chief has returned to the grandest stage of them all.
Ready to correct his course after losing in the main event of WrestleMania 40. It goes without saying how huge this opportunity is for Roman Reigns. Yeah, Saxon, but this is where Roman usually thrives. He's defeated the likes of Drew McIntyre, Triple H, and The Undertaker here. But tonight, he has more to prove than ever at the Showcase of Immortals. Ladies and gentlemen, acknowledge him. The WWE Universe embracing their Tribal Chief.
Reigns standing tall. The OTC is still the pinnacle of this industry.
The Great One is here. These days, Rock is more than great. We are looking at the final boss.
Maybe the most famous man on earth.
The Rock always makes an epic arrival.
And his opponent from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, The Rock!
Finally, the final boss has returned to WrestleMania.
At WrestleMania 40, The Rock took part in what many consider the biggest main event in WrestleMania history, teaming with his cousin, Roman Reigns.
But remember, Michael, The Rock's biggest match is always his next match. This WrestleMania is no different.
I sure hope he understands what he's getting into when he steps in the ring with Roman Reigns.
Yeah, Reigns' inimitable power could represent the end game for this superstar.
Here we go, the OTC Roman Reigns taking on the final boss himself, The Rock. This is as personal as it gets between two of the greatest to ever do it.
Both Roman and The Rock have all the claim in the world to that spot at the head of the table as the leader of their Samoan dynasty. But tonight could be where we see who the better man really is.
Yeah, only one man's getting their arm raised at the end of this one, people. Will it be Reigns or will it be The Rock?
Disrespectful shove there. Locking up. Escapes and establishes a waistline.
Tries the switch and is able to gain control with the headlock. Trying to find a way out and does so into a headlock.
Turn things around into the waistlock from behind.
Oh! The Rock going for the cover.
That was an easy kick out for Roman.
He's not giving up that.
And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold. Roman Reigns.
Nice escape. Cancel out Reigns' offense. What a punch.
Going head to head, putting each other to the test. So much pride, so much resiliency on display. Who will break first? That is the question.
Each exchange just sapping the energy from these two.
What impressive determination from both competitors. Keeping at each other no matter what. Ooh. The willpower, the sheer guts of these two. You can feel
just going off with everything they've got now. Oh, getting the better of that exchange.
Lifted and completely helpless here. Ooh, nasty shot to the throat. Discouraging situation for the People's Champion.
And Reigns keeps unseating The Rock every chance he gets.
Sidesteps.
Delivers the backbreaker.
It looks like he's stalking his prey. Only one thing in mind.
Oh, effective.
There it is. He could end it here.
Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup.
The colossal clutch. The colossal clutch. Perfectly executed submission hold.
Slipped right underneath, and just like that, he's out of the hold.
Great trouble here. Can he get it fully locked in?
Camel clutch applied. Oh, look at that arc. Nice escape.
Overhead, belly to belly by a great one.
And Reigns got clobbered by that move.
Yeah, as this match goes on, he's learning exactly what it feels like to run into a Braun bull. Ooh! Oh my!
The shoulders are down. He got the shoulder up in time.
Somehow still in this fight. Not down and out yet. He's in a bad place. This is where it could all end for him.
Looked it up. What's next?
Wicked kick to the face. Hit with the knee. He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd. My goodness, is this even legal?
I don't think so. Ooh. My God, enough!
Bringing this back into the ring.
Back suplex, no! Driven down.
Reigns sizing up the target. Reigns got all of it.
Going for the cover. And a kick out. No one saw that coming.
Getting his shoulder up there seemed like muscle memory for The Rock.
Reigns now realizing that he's facing an even tougher level of opponent than usual tonight. Reigns establishing the upper hand.
The Rock has to devise a new plan here.
Counter by The Rock.
He finally creates some more offense for himself.
The Rock has to keep the pedal at full throttle while he has the opening.
From behind, back suplex.
Counter. He knew just what to do. A snapmare by Roman Reigns.
He avoids the contact.
Totally helpless at the moment.
Dropped right on their face.
Just absorbing way too much damage at this stage. Roman's shoulders are down. Still only got one.
Still gonna take a massive effort to keep him down.
Pulled in from belly to belly.
Oh, right on the arm.
Not good. Reigns now losing ground.
Yeah, Reigns seemingly has no answer for anything Rock's throwing at him right now.
Big boot.
Jeez.
I think we know what he's thinking, and it's not going to be nice. Rocked with the point of the elbow.
The Rock with the most electrifying move in all of entertainment.
Elbow.
Can Reigns recover from that? Going right into the pin attempt.
There's two. Oh, he kicked out.
The head of the table almost went to the back of the line on that one. Roman better get it together.
It isn't over yet. The Rock has to find a way to persevere right now if he wants to end this. Gets lifted into position. Oh, right to the throat.
Got the leg. Attacking the leg there.
Pinpoint kick to the back.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Boom.
Dodges out of the way.
Full over into a DDT. Vintage Rock right there.
Double leg step through. Uh-oh. You know what's coming next.
Legendary Scorpion.
The sharpshooter is applied.
The more he fights, the more pain he's in. So much for the submission hold. He just lets go.
His grip strength might have run out.
From the top.
Oh, gosh. That looked like a bad landing. And into the turnbuckle he goes.
A splash. Look at the power.
Textbook scoop slam. Nicely done.
And he's staggering to his feet, about to head right into danger.
Devastating cranial impact with that move. And this is just a vulgar display of ruthlessness. Oh my God, enough!
Can this be it? Is this the end?
No, stops the count at 2.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
Clothesline in the
corner, and an elbow for good measure.
Reigns plans in motion.
Blast off!
Oh my! Reigns just imposing his will right now.
Roman seems tapped into his endless reserve of strength.
Ooh, stiff punch.
And he gets set back into the ring. Looking to go up high. From the top. Oh, elbow drop.
Oh, it's a piercing elbow. It's time. It's time for the most electrifying moves in all of sports entertainment.
The people's elbow.
Picture perfect from The Rock.
2 count.
The Rock for the win.
Here is your winner,
The Rock reaffirming his position in the ranks of the NYW family and WWE with his win over Roman Reigns.
Don't think for a second that